So he told me 2 weeks when he first came, and I thought, there's no way. There's no way he's gonna do this in 2 weeks. My name is Jolie and I live in East Sacramento. I decided to go with Vitaly with VL tile. You know, it was such an old bathroom that the spout for the shower was like only halfway up the tub. Well, I have 2 young kids and I love living in this area, but it was a bathtub that had a small little shower. We reconfigured it and did all sorts of things, moved the tub, redid all the tile. He was super responsive and I was really impressed. I mean, I remember him saying, you know, whatever day he started, I don't remember, but said, you know, we'll be there at 8. And I thought, yeah, sure, you know, like I've seen this. He was here and every day they'd show up at 8 o'clock. They'd stay until the work was done, the whole crew. I mean, I was impressed with everybody. They were here every day for 2 weeks and, you know, it was almost exactly that timeline. You know, it's my main bathroom, my kids use it, and I thought I can't go months without having a downstairs bathroom. And so that was a huge thing to me. And that's one of the things that I tell a lot of people that ask about, you know, him or who did the work. They're so quick, but there doesn't affect the quality because you can be quick and, you know, not do a good job, but that was not the case. Wish I had done it 5 years ago. Just from a pricing perspective, like the price that he gave me was exactly what I paid, which was really important to me too. There wasn't, well, this and this changed and now it's gonna be this cost. And I know that there was stuff that he did that was unexpected and just kind of came up, and longer hours, and just these old houses, you know, you kind of don't know what you don't know until you get in there. I didn't put anything down. You know, he said, don't pay me until I'm done and you're happy with the work, right? Which just goes to show his confidence and his ability to do a good job. When I saw the final product, I was so excited and just so happy that I had chosen Vitaly and that I had made the decision to redo the bathroom and he was the one that did it for me. I would recommend VL Tile hands down to anybody that's interested in doing any work on their home, and I've given a couple recommendations to people already that are reaching out to him and interested in doing the same.